This is Grade 1 Braille in one lesson. Braille is based upon a grid of dots small enough to fit under the tip of your finger. These dots are numbered 1 through 6, and when raised in different combinations, represent different letters, numbers, and punctuation marks. Each Braille character, or cell, can be described by saying which of the dots are raised in that cell. For instance, this is a 1 cell, this is a 2-5 cell, this is a 3-4-6 cell, and this is a 1-2-3-4-5-6 cell, otherwise known as a full cell. Braille is actually very easy to learn. Most of it is based upon the first 10 letters of the alphabet, A through J, and these letters only use the top 4 dots in each cell. Because of the importance of these particular letters, we'll spend just a minute trying to memorize them, and we'll do that with a story. One day, you decide you want to cross a river. So you approach a bridge, but it's closed. So you take the detour, but realize you're on empty. So you fill up with fuel, but now you're in gridlock. So you trade your car for a Harley, turn the ignition on,